Here we go, guys. We are on day 8. All right, so it says the line of best fit for a data set is y equals 1.1 plus 3.4, 1.1x plus 3.4. Find the residual for each of the coordinate pairs x and y. So remember when we're talking about the residual, we're talking about how far the data is from the actual value. So you have that formula that we talked about, the estimated, just kidding, the actual minus the estimated value. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to find the estimated value. Okay, so let's start with part A. It's all we're looking at right now. So we have A, and it tells us our x value is 5 and our y value is 8.8. All right, it also tells us in the description that our line of best fit is defined, sorry guys, by this equation. Okay, so in order to find that estimated value, we have to take our x value and plug it in to the equation. Okay, so step 1, plug in x value to line of best fit. Okay, so we'll have y equals 1.1 times 5 plus 3.4. Okay, so y equals, if we have 1.1 times 5, we'll get 5.5 plus 3.4, and y is going to equal 8.9. All right, so remember, this is our estimated value because we use the line of best fit. And remember, we use the line of best fit to make estimations and predictions, okay? So 8.9 is our estimated value. So if we want to find the residual, which is what it's wanting us to find, we're going to then take, okay, one second, having some technical difficulties. Residual is the actual minus the estimated value. Okay, so the actual value is going to be the original y value that we started with. So that's going to be 8.8. And then our estimated, we just solved it right here with the line of best fit. That was 8.9. Okay, so our residual is going to be negative 0.1. Okay, so that is what you would put up there. And then you would repeat those same steps for each of the other problems. So I'll do one more with you because the longer videos are having a hard time uploading. So day 5 was a very long one, so it's taking a while to upload. So let's do B. We are given that x equals 2.5 and y equals 5.95. Okay, so again, the first step is to plug in your x value to the line of best fit. So we have y equals 1.1 x plus 3.4. So we have 1.1 times 2.5 plus 3.4. Okay, so y equals, we have 1.1 times 2.5, and that is going to give us 2.75 plus 3.4. Which is going to give us 6.15, which again is our estimated. Okay, so to find the residual, you're going to take the actual minus the estimated. Okay, so again, our original y value that they give us is our actual value. So we have 5.95 minus our estimated, which is 6.15. So our residual will be negative 0.2. All right, I'm actually going to go ahead and work one more out for y'all. And then y'all can do the last three on your own. Okay. So part C tells us x equals 0, y equals 3.72. So our first step is going to be to plug in our x value. So I have y equals 1.1 times 0 plus 3.4. Y equals 1.1 times 0 is going to be 0 plus 3.4. So y equals 3.4. Okay, so remember, this is our estimated. The y value we started with was our actual. So in order to find our residual, we take the actual, which was 3.72, and we subtract our estimated. Okay, so that's going to be 3.4. So this residual is going to be positive 3.4. Okay, so if you think back when we talked about residuals, when the number was closer to 1, then the residuals were stronger than if they were further away from 1. Okay, so you can that's just a quick reminder about what these are even talking about how accurate the line of best fit is. All right, so there is day 8 residuals. Again, if you have any questions, take a picture, send it to me. Yeah, all right. Hope y'all are staying safe. Miss you guys.